Hello and welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Audra, the marketing and content producer here at Sallie Tomato. Can you believe we're already on day 15? I promise you though, today is still going to be extra special. Day 15, a perfect combination of rich texture and sleek metal. Save these items for day 16. Today's package is a 1/3 yard cut of navy croc faux leather and 1 package of gold metal corners. This luxurious faux croc and metal accents are an elegant combination for an upcoming project that is useful in all aspects of your life. Don't let these goodies stray too far, because it will only be one day until you find out what you're going to use them for. This faux leather is one of my favorites. It provides a designer look to your handmade project while being super easy to work and sew with. Again, stay tuned. You'll find out what these are for very soon. If you want to purchase next year's Sallie Tomato Advent Box, there's a link below that you can sign up for our newsletter, so you're going to be one of the first ones to find out when it's available for pre-order. Please share and show off your photos of your completed project. We'd love to see your style. Use the hashtag Sallie Tomato and hashtag Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media so we can see it. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you get notified of all of our videos that we put out on YouTube. We hope you are loving every day of this Advent Box. We have 10 more to go. Don't go anywhere.